Ready?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. We need to do something very important first. We need to sing my cake baking song.
Let's get baking.
You take a bowl. You break the eggs. You add the flour. The butter next. A little bit of sugar makes it taste so sweet. You whisk it and you mix it, add a chocolate treat to the cream. It's such a dream. It's the finest looking cake you've ever seen. Oh, this is the way you bake a lovely chocolate cake. Lend a hand. We're making Grandad Tumble's lovely chocolate cake. We sprinkle on the flakes and crack, pour, give it a stir. That's how you bake a cake. Oh, this is the way you bake a lovely chocolate cake. Lend a hand. We're making Grandad Tumble's lovely chocolate cake. We sprinkle on the flakes and crack, pour, give it a stir. Measure and tip, whisk and wurr. That's how you bake a cake. Oh!
Oh, look, our cake mix is ready.
Oh, yes, it's a beauty. Right, let's pop it in the oven. Thank you for watching. See the rest of my busy bus day on BBC iPlayer.